7:43 now, and back to our top story. It's this weather and how it's going to impact travelers today. So Tiffany, how's it looking outside right now?
You know, right now things are quiet across a good chunk of the area, Jan, but as we go through the rest of the morning hours, that's when a wintry mix will likely develop before changing over to a cold rain. So drivers are going to be impacted all across the region. Let's look at some of the temperatures from our weather watchers this morning. We have many locations reporting temperatures just above the freezing mark. That's what we want to see. Medford Lakes coming in at 33. That report coming in from Scott. Chesterfield, New Jersey, under freezing there, 30 degrees. From Nottingham, Pennsylvania, 34. Thanks to Fran for that. We'll go up a little bit. Ocean City, New Jersey, much warmer there. We're talking about 45 degrees. Cherry Hill, New Jersey, Jenny, 34 degrees. And as we look into portions of Delaware, Marshallton coming in at 35. Browns Mill, New Jersey, thanks to Marianne for that report, coming in at 33 degrees. Now let's take a live look at Center City this morning. I mentioned earlier the calm before the storm because we are dry in Philadelphia. We're overcast, sitting at 36 degrees. At least that's at the airport. We do have a breeze out of the northeast at about 12 miles per hour, making it feel like 28 degrees. So it feels like winter as we start off the month of December. Storm Scan 3 showing that a first batch of precipitation moving into portions in North Jersey. That helped to moisten up the atmosphere because we really haven't seen much in the way of precipitation reach the ground just yet because the lower levels are still pretty dry. But there may be a couple of sprinkles falling into Wilmington and across portions of South Jersey. We have rain falling into Kent County, Delaware, also into southern Delaware, and a little bit of light rain likely falling across portions of South Jersey into portions of Cumberland County and Cape May County at this time. The showers just south of Atlantic City, but this batch of rain will continue to work its way off to the north and east. So that will likely be moving into Philadelphia probably between 8 and 9 o'clock. We're going to stop the clock at 10 o'clock because we could see that mix last into Philadelphia at this time. Notice that the mix continues across the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos, just a cold rain for areas south of the city. And then if we do see that mix in Philadelphia, it will likely end by 10, 11 o'clock, and then it's just rain for the rest of the day. But notice by 1 o'clock, that mix continues for portions of upper Montgomery County, upper Bucks County, possibly even into northern Chester County as well. So that's where we have some concerns for some icing, and the snow continues for portions of the Poconos. And then the rain will likely continue for portions of the Lehigh Valley, or change over to rain, I should say, for the Lehigh Valley later on in the afternoon. Notice that the rain could be heavy at times. That will certainly slow you down if you're going to be traveling all across the region today. I think the steady rain moves out tonight before we get our second round tomorrow. So let's talk about the freezing rain and sleet potential today. We could see light icing on trees and power lines, a light glaze on decks and windshields, and bridges and overpasses will become slick first. Keep that in mind. And this is the area that we're talking about. We're concerned about the Poconos, the Lehigh Valley, and across portions of upper Bucks County and upper Montgomery County. Now, round 2 arrives tomorrow. For the Monday morning commute, we could be dealing with some rain in Philadelphia, but it looks like the weather goes downhill throughout the day. As that colder air wraps in behind this system, we see that rain-snow line sink farther south into the city during the afternoon and then possibly into South Jersey. So the Monday evening commute is the one to be concerned about. How much snow can we see? Well, this isn't going to be a huge snowstorm, but it could drop some accumulations. Coating to 2 inches for Philadelphia, 2 to 4 for the Lehigh Valley, and then the highest totals will likely be across the Poconos. Your eyewitness weather 7-day forecast showing that once we get past Monday, we'll start to see some drier conditions, but we stay chilly right through the rest of the week and into the weekend. And